Hey guys, it's almost come from 17 January 2024 officially announcement of the Galaxy S24 series. A lot of people thought that the S24 Ultra will be have a design downgrade compared to the Galaxy S23 Ultra mainly because Samsung is decided to remove curved display. Well, now we know that not to be the case. According to the IC Universe, the Galaxy S24 Ultra have a 40% reduction to its borderless compared to the S23 Ultra, making it possible the most bezel-less Galaxy flagship ever. This is the rendering compared to the Galaxy S23 to Galaxy S24 Ultra design, and you can see there is a big difference even with have a flat display. I'm say again the Galaxy S24 Ultra flat display is going to be amazing, and this is the four color of the Galaxy S24 Ultra lineup. Thanks to this render from Phone Arena, how official Galaxy S24 Ultra color could be look like if you are compare this lineup to what we have with the iPhone 15 Pro Max. So from the official color, I will be say the yellow color look pretty amazing. It's called yellow, but it look like a golden color. So let me know which color you like the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Let me know in the comment section below. Then another great news, the Galaxy S24 Ultra come with the titanium frame has the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max. Titanium is very strong and lightweight and durable. Next we have another amazing news like a really needed for the Galaxy S24 series, introducing Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy. Yes, once again Snapdragon and Samsung go to work together and making exclusive burst on Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for the Galaxy, and we are going to see the higher clock speed from the GPU up to 1 GHz. Just imagine the amount of the graphical power we're going to see overclocked GPU on the Galaxy S24 Ultra, and the CEO of the Snapdragon is officially confirmed that the Galaxy S24 Ultra come with two different processors like Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 and Exynos 2400. Exynos 2400 is focused for Europe and South Korea market, and of course the Galaxy S24 Ultra come with new ISOCELL 200 megapixel camera sensor and is also come with the Zoom Anyplace technology, and I am already making a separate video about that. Check this video, click here, and if you found this video informative, make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching and I will be catching the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.